Thank you for tuning in to another video by CCTV Camera World, the experts in security camera systems for both home and business. We carry PoE camera systems and analog camera systems for every budget. The purpose of this video is to show you how to hide one or multiple camera channels on your Security Cameras Inc NVR system. SCI, or Security Cameras Inc, is one of the brands we carry here at CCTV Camera World. And a question came up from a customer that has a retail store where they want to hide, let's say, channel 1 from the monitor display out of the recorder. They have a monitor that's in the front of the store serving as a deterrent to customers entering the store. It acts as a theft deterrent to let customers know they're being watched. But they have a camera connected to channel 1 that they want to hide. So as you see here, I have channel 1 saying no permission. So when you hide a channel, it'll say no permission on your display output. And I'm going to show you how you can set that up on your Security Cameras Inc system. To do this setup, make sure you're in front of the NVR and monitor and you have a mouse connected to it, and then navigate through the menus as I show you. So to show you how to set those settings, I had to reset my NVR back to default, how you may have it. And now I'm going to use my mouse connected to my NVR. So you want to go into setup and put in your pattern to log in. Once you're logged in, go under system, and then you'll find multi-user. Here under multi-user, what you need to do is create another user. So for user 1, I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to enable it, and I'm creating a password for it. So the way you go about disabling one of the cameras on the default screen is by creating a secondary user and then making that secondary user the default user, and also assigning it certain rights or taking away rights from it. So I've set a password and confirmed that password. I'm leaving the max login as default. So now if I hit save, it asks me for my admin password so that I can actually create this new user, which I've done. So now it says enable for the user. Now I'm going to give it certain permissions. Here, it should be unchecked for you. I'm going to go to live, and I'm going to give it permission to all of the cameras on my 16-channel NVR, except for which one I don't want it to be able to show on the live screen, and I unchecked one. There are a lot of other settings. I'm not going to go into that in this video. This is just to show you that here under user permissions, you can assign and certain roles to each user. So if I wanted to even restrict this user from being able to play back, which I have done right now, the only rights this user has is just to live view cameras 2 through 16. You could hodgepodge whichever cameras you don't want it to be able to access. You could do that, which I'm going to do right now, and hit save. Save parameter successfully message. I got that. Now on the bottom, you see default login user. This is the magic sauce. You make that user 1 that you gave restricted rights to as the default login user, and you hit apply, and then you log out. Now, if I lock screen, nothing happened. You would think, oh, my rules didn't work. So here's the reason why. You go back here, click on the word admin. This is the user menu. And you log in as user 1 and put in the password for that user. And when I log in with that user, see, it doesn't have these permissions to view the camera. Now, if I go back and lock screen, it stays that way. That HDMI is not showing that particular camera or cameras you selected to be disabled from the live view. So in essence, I've switched the NVR from the admin user to user 1, which has restricted rights. If I ever wanted to go back to admin 1, I click on user 1, type in the admin password here to log into the NVR as the admin user. And now I can see that other camera. Now, when you are logged in as the other user, you will not be able to play back, or whatever you have restricted will remain. So this change that I've made also survives an NVR reboot. So I'm going to turn the NVR off, wait a second or two, turn it back on. And now I'm just going to fast forward the video for you to see what happens when the NVR reboots and what screen shows up. So my NVR has rebooted. It is reconnecting to the cameras, and the default user that it shows the login prompt for is user 1 because that's how I set it up. And if I just X out of this, it goes away and my camera reconnected. Both of them did, but on the left one, the channel 1, I blocked permissions for that. So it's not appearing, and now my second one is. So this is how you set up user-based privileges for viewing on the NVR.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.